What do you do for living?
I own a cafe. How about you?
I work in a normal company.
Which color do you like?
I like purple. What about you?
I like blue. How was your weekend?
It was relaxing. What about you?
It was quite busy. Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Yes, I'm going shopping with my friends. What is your favorite season?
I like summer. How about you?
I like autumn.
Have you ever been to Paris?
Yes, I went to Paris last year. Do you play any instrument?
Yes, I can play guitar and violin. What do Ellie do for living? She works in normal company. Which color did Ellie like? She liked purple. Which season does Alex like? He likes summer. Did Ellie like autumn as her favorite season? Yes, she loved autumn. Was Ellie weekends relaxing? Yes, her weekends was relaxing. What instruments can Alex play? He can play guitar and violin.
Don't forget to rewatch this video many times, as it will improve your English speaking skills.